Hey guys, how's it going? Well, today we're going to talk about, Sunday. Sunday wound up being an interesting day on the lake for us. It started out as a good day and turned to crap really fast. So we started out on the lake, not doing anything special. Wound up just catching a few brim and, just other bait fish. We're going to try to see if we can find some catfish spots on the lake. And so we had fun on the lake. No big deal there. We had fun just cruising around the lake. Loaded up the boat, went to the car wash to wash the boat off after we got done with it, and got the boat washed. Pulled out of the car wash. We had to head across the street to the bank. So we pulled out of the car wash and started smelling this funny smell, like a rubbery smell, and I'm like, "What's that smell?" And my buddy's like, "I don't know, it must be a diesel truck that just went by." I'm like, okay. So we got to the bank, because he had to go to the ATM, and we happened to look at the tire on the driver's side left on the trailer, and lo and behold, it was smoking. So we stopped and we looked at it, and noticed that, isn't that fun? The axle on the trailer broke, and the tire was rubbing on the boat and the trailer. So that's what we were smelling. So $85 later, the boat was loaded onto a flatbed and a rollback truck and dropped back off at home. And so we were going to attempt to fix it today. I'm just glad that we went to Wireless today instead of Watery, because that would have been a $485 tow back. So here we are. We're going to attempt to fix the trailer today. So yeah, as you can see, the wheel is totally canted in to the trailer, and it's rubbing on the trailer and the boat. I don't know if you can see that because of the shadow here, but we're going to see if we can take this axle and get it and weld it. it completed, it'll got the axle welded up on the underside. It's welded on three sides, not the top, because we couldn't get to the top. But the tire is a little permanently off cant now, but hopefully it'll work until I can afford to get a replacement axle and put it on there. So there you have it, folks. If you like this video, tune in to more videos, subscribe, click like. Have a great day. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure that you check out the recommended video above. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Come on, hit the button. You know you want to.